everyone, it's Stuart from ComputerFix again here, and today we've got an Acer Aspire 5738 in for an upgrade. And a lot of people obviously won't repair these or upgrade them because of the age, but I'm going to show you today that with a little bit of TLC, these old babies can be brought back to life a bit. Default OS is Vista, only an Intel Pentium inside, so it's not going to run very fast in its original state nowadays because of the age of it, but we're going to show you. So it's fully working. I'm going to show you how to speed these babies up. Let's just look at the initial boot up time. We've got some RAM to put into this. We've got an SSD, which I believe will considerably increase or decrease the boot up time. So we'll see anyway. Fingers crossed. As you can see, I'm still waiting for this baby to load up. Yeesh. Now obviously this for a lot of people would be agonising, especially this day and age where we're now running M2 drives that are with loads of RAM that are booting up in seconds, no wait times. But yeah, old technology deserves a chance and we're going to give it that chance. Okay, so we're just at the point now where we could probably just start clicking buttons without, yeah, just barely. Okay, so now we're at a stage, it's still loading services in the background and that, but you can see it's responsive. Ish. Okay, so let's shut it back down, see what we can do, and see you there. Windows 10 installing. See how long this takes, and we'll see how it runs after. See when it's finished. So here we've got the finished product, but minus the RAM, because the RAM hasn't turned up unfortunately, so we can't do the RAM. You can see it's in absolutely pristine condition. SSD's been done, changed over, it's been upgraded to the SSD. Data's all transferred over. Windows 10 Professional on there, fully activated, legit. And obviously now's the time to check the boot up. Give it a quick clean over as well. So it's looking a bit tidier, no fingerprint marks. Right, here we go. Obviously it's still running 4 gig of DDR3 RAM, the original RAM, so it will be upgraded to 8, so which will make it perform a lot better than what it is now. But the upgrade to the SSD has obviously increased the size or the speed of the boot up time, and which was expected by myself. And you'll see, compared to the original boot up time, there we go. Happy days. Who said old technology can't be revived, eh? Hope you enjoyed the video. Drop a like and some comments, and look forward to the next video. Cheers, bye bye.